teachers, welcome to our Lingua T Club. In today's lesson, I will show an activity which you can do with your students to practice grammar. So before watching my lesson, I want you to think about how you practice grammar with your class. Okay guys, now could you please look at the board? What can you see?
Dice.
Yeah, how many sides does a dice have? 6 sides, yeah? So instead of a dice, I brought today a cube. Okay, so now you will work in groups of 4, you will work in groups of 3 and you 3 together, okay? So when you take this cube, could you please number the sides, okay? How many sides are there again? 6 sides, okay? I will give you a marker, please number them. Then, I have prepared some cards for you, okay? So I will give one set of cards to each group. You put the cards face down and one by one choose the card. And do the tasks on the board, okay? So how many tasks can you see? 6. So the first 3 tasks are for you to do, like all of them, you will do all of them, but the first, the second, and the third one, when you do these tasks, you can read the word, you can show the word to your partners, okay? So for example, when I ask, I roll the dice, yeah, on the desk or on the floor. So this is the 5th side. What is my task? Draw the word, okay? You can draw the word on the worksheets or in your copybook, okay? Your partner needs to guess. So if your task is number 5, can you read the word to your partner? No. If your task is number 4, can you show or read the word? Of course not. Can you say the translation of the word? What about number 6? Guys, mime the word. If you are miming the word, can you read the word on the card? No. So these 3 tasks, in these 3 tasks, you are not allowed to what? Read or show the word. Yeah. So if your task is number 1, can you read the word?
Yes.
Yeah. In the second one?
Yes.
Third?
Yes.
Yeah. To say the part of speech, you need to say the word to your partner. Okay. So what is the first thing you do when you get the cards and the cube? What do you do? What is it? Roll. Yeah, you roll the dice. Okay. How will you know which task you do? With the number, yeah? You look at the number and do the task, okay? So the first 3 tasks, in the first 3 tasks, can you show the word?
Yes.
Yeah. What about the 4, 5, and 6? You can't show. Can you say the word? No. Okay. Can you make a circle, guys? By ball, you will work with the girls. Okay. You girls together, make a circle. Thank you. I guess, Erbol, you need to move. Baybol, can you stand up? You can choose. Like this. Erbol, you sit here, and Baybol, you will sit here. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, your cards, put them face down. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay. Yes.
How to say mime in Russian?
Very good. Mime, show. Show with your face. Miming, yeah. This one for you to draw. This is for you to draw. Can you do the last one more time? Number 2, which task is it? Sentence with this word.
In English, please. Stage where when I stand in the stage, I want to
Shiny, okay. All right, guys, so let's finish. Good job. So could you revise all the words on the cards?
Yeah.
Okay. Was it good?
Yes.
Good. All right. So all the time, please, guys, learn by heart new words, recycle them, revise and memorize. Okay? All right. So now could you please take your seats? Put your seats back. Can I have the dices back? Michael? Can I have the dice back? Dear teachers, now it's high time to discuss the demo lesson. Do you remember I asked you to think about how you practice grammar and which activities you do? So you need to remember that without proper grammar, students would have no idea how to speak or write in English. It helps us make sense of our words. It also dictates rules regarding how words are used and when they should be used. Without knowing this information, it would be impossible for us to understand anything or say anything at all. So in my lesson, I did a free speaking activity with my students. You must remember what a free speaking activity is from one of my previous lessons. After doing some exercises from the textbook, which helped them to memorize and fix the target structure and its formula, you need to do some speaking activity with your students because communication is the key to success. If you just teach your students when and how they should use past continuous tense, they will never be able to speak. They will never be able to communicate and tell stories in using past continuous to other people. So prepare some speaking tasks. Encourage your students to use the target structure. By the way, which grammar topic you can practice with the help of this game? So in this lesson, in my lesson, we practice past continuous tense, but you can also practice present continuous and ask your students to describe what people are doing in this picture. You can also adapt this activity, change the task, and practice present continuous tense. Just ask your students to describe what people are doing in these pictures, and it will be also a nice speaking activity. So I hope that you like this activity and will use it in your class. Goodbye, and I'll see you next time.